Hi foodies, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, hi there, my name is Mawina. Welcome to our foodie world where we bring you simple, relatable homemade meals. We are back again with another video, and today we bring you part 2 of our village cooking. We are making fufu with light soup. Stay tuned and let's get right into it. My Auntie Bella is our chef for today. We like to call her that baby. So we started off by peeling our cassava, which is fresh from her farm. We also washed our plantain nicely. The plantain is also from her farm, but we didn't peel our plantain. We just cut them into smaller pieces and put it in our pot. According to her, plantain skin has a lot of nutrients. So when you cook the plantain with the skin, the plantain absorbs all the nutrients while it's cooking. Also, our cassava, she didn't cut them small like we do in Accra. She said the cassava cooks in no time, so there's no need like cutting them into smaller pieces. So we just arranged them in the pot and we added some water. We then lighted our local fireplace and then we boiled our cassava. So while we were waiting for our cassava and plantain to get ready, we went to the backyard farm and harvested some okra. That's what excites me about village cooking. Everything is fresh from farm, okay? So our cassava and plantain was ready in no time and we strained the water from it. The water looked that way because of the plantain skin, okay? So we then went ahead and transferred the cassava into a bowl and we removed the skin from the plantain at this point. And then while we were pounding the fufu, we started with the light soup. So we are using chicken today. We washed our chicken nicely, put it in our pot, and on a coal pot, okay, we added powdered pepper. We also added some salt. We blended garlic ginger with some anise seed or nkete in an earthenware or asanka, of course, and then we rinsed it with some water, poured it in our pot, and we also went ahead and added tomato paste. One thing about village cooking, there's no measurement for anything. We just add the ingredients until our ancestors say it's okay. So that's me here fanning the coal pot to make sure the fire is high enough to boil our meat, okay? So we just stirred everything together so that all the ingredients will marry together, and then we washed our smoked catfish and also added it. And then we covered it for a while, and once it steamed for some few minutes, we added water to it. The water is based on the quantity you want. One thing about village light soup is very light too, but not there. Like, it's so delicious, eh? So we rinsed okra that we harvested from our backyard, and then we added some garden eggs and we added it to the soup, of course, and then sliced some onions into the soup as well. So she diced some onions here, which she set aside, and washed some paposhito and added it. She said that's what will go into the soup last minute for flavor, okay? So Auntie Bella here again, or that baby, helping out with the fufu. The fufu is almost ready and I'm super excited because I can't wait to eat. So we added our diced onion and paposhito, and as you can tell, our light soup is ready, and it tasted really good. You see, it's light like that. We did it fast too. Like, it took less than 20 minutes to make that soup, but it was really delicious. And our fufu is ready, so she was dishing it out for me to take to the house, so we go and enjoy it. Great content. Our food is in the basket. Basket, baby. I'm going home to go and eat. So I dished out my portion of the food and I really enjoyed it. As you can tell from my serious face, chop time, no friend. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Don't forget to like, comment below if you enjoyed this content, and don't forget to share as well. Subscribe if you haven't done so already, and we'll see you in our next video. Bye guys.